Hey guys, thanks for watching. We're at the Stallone family house. This is our last day. This is the backyard. We're cleaning the floors a little and we're out of here. I'm gonna show you the house, okay? Because this is my last day. I'll probably be back for touch-ups and stuff, but they have to turn in this house in 2 months. This is the master bedroom. Closet. Our floors. We're gonna clean them a little or a lot. Oh, they're not that bad. So we're getting out of the master. This is a hallway that leads to the first floor. This is another room. This is another part of the house. And that's the living room. We have electricians, painters, still doing final details. These are her children's bedrooms. Bathroom. It's a big mansion. We're going down to the first floor. These are the stairs. Everything detailed. We also did the molding under it. This is the entry house. This is the main door. This is the powder room. It's small, the door, but I like it. It's really nice. They actually bought the house and remodeled it. They didn't build it from scratch. No, they remodeled it. So this is the main door. I like it. It's really nice. I like the interior. They have a lot of stuff. This is another room, probably the guest room. This is the living room. It's kind of dirty, but we're cleaning it. I love this. Look at the singer here. That's a hallway. This is a kitchen. That's so nice. These are our floors. A breakfast room. I'm getting close to finished. Our floors. We bleached these floors 2 times. It's walnut. Should be like as dark as this area. It's just a variation of the wood. It's how it reacts to the chemical, to the bleach. There's electricians here. This back staircase goes to the second level, and then and the one that goes to the entertainment room. And this hallway leads to the library or office. Both. For them. That's how they call it. And look at these walls. We didn't install them or finish them, those other companies. But yeah, that's the natural look of the wall now when you just clear it, like just finish it clear. We bleached the floors, that's why the difference. And also we use a stain. But look, everything looks nice in here, right? Let's go to the entertainment room real quick. They just have it. They have it covered because this is the last part that we did. There's a restroom here. A bed, yeah, a bathroom, and this is entertainment room. Here, and there's the gym. That's the gym in there. They just have to put the cork in there. Then they're gonna put cork down, soft, and they're gonna take care of this later. They still have work to do down here. They're closing. They're close to finishing. That's another. This is where the big screen is gonna go. Big screen. That's another way up to the first level. This is like a basement. They always go underground with these houses so that they don't have to do three floors. They look nicer 2 floors, like, and that's why they go deep on that. They go underground. This is a mechanical room.